Hey, so you love Nvidia, you like chips, but you want to know how to profit on it when it's earnings season. If you've ever been scared of Nvidia earnings or any earnings season at all, I'm going to show you the best way to put cash in your pockets while trading earnings. Let's get into it. So, if you're like me and you want to make money on Nvidia earnings, this is what you need to do. Nvidia reports earnings on Wednesday, which is 2 days from now. But while most people are thinking about buying calls because they think Nvidia is going to go up and has been profitable the last 3, 4 earnings season, we're going to use the reverse psychology method to actually make money on Nvidia, and this is relatively safe. You see, the thing about options and stocks in general is people only know about the buying side, right? They only want to buy and catch the upward momentum. The issue with this is even though the ceiling doesn't exist in buying options, the floor does exist. So when you're buying, the multiplication is great because there's no ceiling on how much the stock can go up, right? Because a stock can go up to infinity. The problem with this is with the increased likelihood of multiplication also comes increased risk. What do I mean by that? Well, there's something known as delta. And delta shows you the percentage chance of a options contract going into the money and actually being profitable. Well, a lot of times when you're buying options contracts that actually make sense, that are out of the money, what usually happens is that you only have a 25% chance that it's going to go your way. And I don't know about you, but I don't like putting my money up for grabs if I only have a 25% chance of winning. While that's, still a decent amount, that's not where we want to put our money. We want to put our money where there's going to be a 80 to 95% chance I'm going to win, right? And this is what I like to call almost free money or lottery ticket money in the stock market, where even though the percentage increase is not as much, the percentage chance you're going to win is almost guaranteed. So what do I mean by that? Let's say that everything goes your way when you buy and you do really well and you double your money. You make 100% on your money. Well, when you're buying, you only have 25% chance of doing that. The other thing that works against you is volatility because during our earnings season, they release something known as an expected moves number. And even if the stock goes up, if it doesn't go up by that expected moves number, let's say the expected moves number is 40 or $50, even if the stock goes up, the option contract is going to crash and you're going to lose all your money. Another reason why this is more risky. But when you're selling using cash secured puts, what begins to happen is that you can make 2, 5, 10% on your money in the same time. Even if the stock goes up, even if it goes sideways, as long as it doesn't get to the strike price that you sell, where it has 80 to 95% working in your favor, you're going to get to keep the premium. So this is how you can make thousands doing this. So for example, let's go to the Nvidia chain and I'll show you what I mean. So Nvidia comes out this Wednesday. So what you can do on Wednesday is you can literally sell an options contract for the 29th. And what I usually do is today, which is Monday, or tomorrow, I'll go ahead and sell puts on this. So this is Nvidia puts. And if I had $18,000 in cash, right, they're going to pay me $530. For every $18,000 in cash I have, they're going to pay $530. But if you want something more secure, I saw the delta that around 170 and 160 is actually safe. So I'm going to go to strikes and I'm going to go to 20 and I'm going to hit apply. And look, around 160 delta, 162 delta is actually a safe trade. But I like 160 because look at all the volume and open interest there. So for every $16,000 in cash I have, I'm going to get paid $100. While this doesn't seem like a lot of money, you're still literally making 1 to 2% on your money almost. Actually, let's take a look at it, okay? So let's say I do the 160. I'm getting paid $93 for every 16,000 I have. you're getting half a percentage on your cash. While that might not seem like a lot, if you actually do that with a large account, so let's say you had, $250,000, what could literally happen is for 5 days worth of work, you can make literally. So if I do $250,000 divided by 160 divided by 16,000, then lets me do 15 contracts. So 15 contracts times $93 means that you're making $1,395 for the week's worth of work, which isn't bad. Okay, so if you want to make thousands, that's how you do it. But I'm going to show you a cheaper way where you can actually multiply your money. So instead of making just half a percent, you can make 10%. This is how you do it. Okay, you actually do a vertical or a spread. So what you want to do is you want to go a little bit out. So let's say September 19th, and then you want to sell a spread, which means that you're selling a contract and buying another one for protection, and you get to keep the middle. So let's say I sell the 160 spread at $93. Okay, that's right now it's about an 18 or 15% chance of happening because we've put out more of a date, September 19th. Let's actually go there. Okay, this is September 19th. So if I sell, let me do all the strikes here. So if I go to September 19th and I sell a 170 strike, okay, at $390, and I buy a 160 strike on the put side. So for example, if I go to September 19th and then I sell a 175 strike for $545 and I buy a 165 strike for $272, I'm gonna be making about $2 per contract. Okay, so I'm gonna have $1,000 at risk, but I'm gonna make $200. That's pretty good money. Okay, and you're only holding this, remember, up till Friday. And then what's gonna happen on Friday? I'm gonna show you. So let's say you do one contract, right? Which means you risk 1K, you put 1K on the table. And for doing that, they're going to pay you $200 in premium per contract. What's going to happen on Friday after earnings? If Nvidia shoots up, okay, that $200 in profit by Friday, they're going to let you keep like half of it. So $100 goes into your pocket. And then thereby you keep 10%. You're making 10% on your money in those 5 days. So one way you can do it, you can sell cash secured puts and make 0.5%, or you can do or you can do vertical spreads, and then you go ahead and make 10% on your money. If you want videos on vertical spreads, or what I call the poor man's cash secured put, you can check out this video here. I break it down step by step so you can really enjoy it. But really, you're making $100 for every 1,000 you put up. So if you put that same $250K into this trade and do this exact same trade, instead of making $100 because you're making 10%, give or take, you're going to make 25K. And all you need is for Nvidia to go up. Now, depending on the delta you want, remember, you usually want 18% delta or less is usually what I look for when I'm doing the vertical or poor man's cash secured put. And then I'll put a stop loss on it. But that's what you really want. And then you're going to make, like I said, somewhere around 10-15% on your cash just for doing this the right way. So that's how I'm planning to profit on Nvidia. The more conservative method, which usually I prefer, is just selling the cash secured put. I make my money, even though it's a low percentage, half a percentage. I know it's almost like guaranteed money because it's an 80-95% probability of going my way. Now, there's nothing guaranteed. Everything involves risk. This isn't financial advice, but I'm just showing you the strategies that I'm using and many profitable options traders are using to make money. If you want to do it the other way, you want to put more skin in the game and you want more of a return, then you would do the cash See poor man's cash secured put, which I call the put spread or the vertical. The actual technical word for it is the bull put spread. You do that, and then you make 10 to 50% on your money in the exact same time frame. So hope that helps. If you have any questions, if you think Nvidia is going to go up, type up in the chat. If you think Nvidia is going to go down for earnings, type down in the chat. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to literally give you guys a free PDF of exactly the 3 ways I profit from the market. All you have to do is enter your email below, and you get a full breakdown, PDF, checklist, and video instructions. Catch you on the next one.